Welcome back to Ready, Set, Go. Today we'll be reading Just One Goal by Robert Munsch.
And we'll be doing this fun craft.
Stay tuned. Hey guys, so today we're going to be reading Just One Goal by Robert Munsch and illustrated by Michael Marchenko, and this is published by Scholastic Canada. Just one goal. A rink, said Ciara to her father. A rink on the river would be nice. I would not have to go all the way across town to play hockey. The ice on the river is just a mess, said her father. It froze all jagged and bumpy. We can't make a rink. A rink, said Ciara to her mother. A rink on the river would be nice. I would not have to go all the way across town to play hockey. Too bumpy, said her mother. The river ice is too bumpy to make into a rink. A rink, said Ciara to her sisters. A rink on the river would be nice. I could walk right out the back door and down the river and play on my own rink. Well, we had to go across town to play hockey, said Ciara's sisters, and that was good enough for us. So you have to go across town just like we did. Okay, said Ciara. She got a glass of warm water and a spoon and went across the backyard, down the hill to the frozen, bumpy river. She used the water and the spoon to make a very small hockey rink. A good hockey rink for ants. Ciara spent the whole next day carrying warm water down to the river. She worked till it was dark and the northern lights came out. Finally, her rink was big enough for a small dog. Ciara's dad came looking for her and said, "Wow, a rink! You really made a rink." "And I am just a little kid," said Ciara. The next day, Ciara's dad rented a bulldozer and flattened a lot of river ice, and then all the neighbors came down and helped. By the time the northern lights came out, there was a real people-sized rink on the river. A rink, yelled Ciara. A real rink on the river, and now we do not have to go all the way across town to play hockey. Ciara started skating and did not go to bed at all that night. The next day, Ciara put up a sign that said, "River Rats Rink," and lots of kids came to play. But no matter what side Ciara was on, her team always lost. One game that Ciara might have won ended when a moose went to sleep in the net. Another game ended when a bear chased everyone off the ice. Another game ended when a bunch of teenagers raced through on their snowmobiles. And that is why Ciara's team did not want to end a tied game just because the ice was a little wet. It was Ciara's last chance to win a game that year. But suddenly, the rink started floating down the river while the rest of the ice crashed and boomed around it. The players did not even notice. Ciara's mom noticed, though. "Ah!" yelled Ciara's mom. "Break up!" She ran along the river yelling, "Stop, stop, stop!" But the players could not hear her because the ice was making so much noise. Ciara's father ran along the river yelling, "Stop, stop, stop!" But the players could not hear because the ice was making so much noise. Then all the parents ran along the river yelling, "Stop, stop, stop!" But the teams just kept playing. "The bridge!" yelled Ciara's mom. "We can catch them at the bridge!" Everyone jumped into their cars and drove to the bridge. Then the dads hung from the bridge and the moms hung from the dads, and the moms grabbed their kids as the rink went floating by. But nobody got Ciara. She had the puck and was skating very fast toward the goal. Ciara's dad ran his car, got his fishing rod, and cast his hook way, way down the river. He caught Ciara just as she scored. "We win!" yelled Ciara's team, and all the moms and dads fainted. Then the kids carried their moms and dads to a restaurant and fed them hot chocolate while Ciara planned next year's rink.
Alright, so as you can see, this is what we're going to be making today. We're going to be making really fun trophies. Now we have two options. You can use red Solo cups like this, or you can use the little Dixie cups like this. So you can make little trophies or big ones, whatever you have at home works. We did one with both just to show you. So yeah, let's get started.
Okay guys, so our two demos are up here. So the resources that we'll need, we have the Dixie cups, we have the two colors paint. We're finding if you base it with the white, then the gold is more gold. Then we have scissors, pencil, glue gun, and any decorations you might need. So we are going to glue these 2 cups together. Now, because it is a grade 2 to 3 craft, we are going to need some parental supervision for this craft. Just be really careful with the glue. So then you're just going to stick those together and then wait until they dry. So now I'm just painting the Dixie cups with the base white and then allowing that to dry. In the meantime, I will move on to another part of the craft. So next we're going to work on the handles to that trophy. So I used foam. You can use cardboard, you can use cardstock, you can use construction paper, whatever you have at home. So I'm just tracing around, making little half circles. So next I'm going to cut around those. And then we're going to want to make them handles, so you need to cut a little or a smaller circle within that. And the other one as well. Alright, so now you have the 2 handles there. So we're going to leave that over there, and we are going to do our gold coat. You can use whatever color you would like. And don't forget within the cup as well, because they are a small one, you will be able to see. Alright, so now on to the decorations. So I am going to decide to use our gold sticker. You can use whatever you want. You can use markers instead, totally up to you guys. And then I'm going to add the foam pieces. You can use glue if yours aren't self-adhesive. And then just kind of on either side of the trophy there. Okay, and then I'm going to use a soccer ball. Right on theme for Sports Week. And then I'm going to use these star stickers. You guys can use whatever kind of stickers you want. Make it as fun as you want. And there you have it.
Alright guys, so we are all done here. So this is one that I made, this is one that we already had made, and then this is another option if that's what you have at home. Hope you guys had fun.
Thanks for tuning in!